Hey guys, Assalamu alaikum. I hope everyone is well. Winter is here and it's getting colder and colder and colder. And hot on everybody's agenda is how are we going to survive this winter given that the prices of gas and electricity are extremely high. Many news articles are claiming that people are going to be dying this winter because people are going to have to choose whether to eat or switch on their heating. Many of us in the UK will have the conventional central heating, and as we know, central heating uses gas, and gas is expensive. Over the last few weeks, I've been trying to find a way of utilizing different ideas to cut my energy costs down. I've seen many YouTube videos out there, they're very, very useful. So I thought to myself, I'll take it one step further and try it out myself. Alhamdulillah, by the grace of Allah, I live in a fairly big house. There are pros and cons of living in big houses with big rooms, okay? Now, one of the things is, yes, you've got the space, but the con thing about it is that when it gets cold, it gets very, very cold. And obviously, to use your central heating to heat up a big house or a big room takes a longer time and obviously with bigger costs. I've had to experiment in different ways. Some of the days I've had to switch on the heating if we're on in a particular room. For example, if we're in the living room, we'll switch off all the other central heating and keep the living room one on. Or if we're in the bedrooms, we'll switch the bedroom ones on. It's a very tedious task, and obviously with children in the house, you can't expect them to go around doing that. And obviously you have to remember to do that. And we found that we're using quite a lot of gas, even though we have our central heating programmed between 5 and 7 in the morning. That's when everybody starts getting up and whatnot. Everyone wants to use a bathroom, and it's nice to have like a bit of a warm house when you wake up. But there are certain times of the night when it gets bitterly cold. That's when your room gets cold and you start breathing in cold air and you wake up with sore throats and whatnot, etc. What I've gone and done is I brought myself a conventional oil heater. Now, the problem with oil heaters, yes, what I found is whenever I use them, the electricity does get burnt quite fast. Okay, so it's either using central heating or using the oil heaters. And the other thing as well is, like, say for example in the night when it's cold, you either have to get up and switch the heating on, or if you leave the oil heater burning all night long, you will have a crazy electricity bill. Okay, what I've also gone and done is brought one of these infrared heaters. So I've used the infrared heater, and yeah, it's done really, really well. But I'll tell you the pros and the cons in a minute. Yeah, so the reason why I'm trying to do this is trying to find a way of organizing energy efficiency. Okay, so the energy gets used when it is cold, and there's a way of doing this, right? Now, one of the things I need to point out, I'm going to be showing you a little device. You need to have internet for this, okay? You don't have to have great internet, so don't bother going and getting the fastest internet and whatnot. You need to have some kind of Wi-Fi in the house, okay? So as long as on your mobile phone, you can, let's say the room I'm sitting in now, it's pretty far away from the router, the actual hub, so it gets a little bit of Wi-Fi, but it still works, okay? So what I'm going to show you today, I've brought this, these are called smart plugs, so they work off the Wi-Fi. Let me quickly show you like this. Right, so how it works is these work off the Wi-Fi. Okay, so inside here, let me show you. This I got from Amazon. I'll put the link down below. There's 4 plugs in here. You can buy 1, 4, 5, however many you want. They're cute little plugs like this. Okay, and how they work is they work off your Wi-Fi, you know, I mentioned, and you put your device on it. So I'm going to show you a little demo in a second. And what you can do from your app on your phone, you can program this plug to come on and off when you want. Okay, so for example, that oil heater I was talking about, I want the oil heater to come on in the night at 3 o'clock and switch off at 4 o'clock. So I can program this plug, which is really good. I like putting my lamps on just 5 minutes before sunset. Okay, 5 minutes before sunset, it uses the information from the internet, and it switches on before sunset, so which is really nice, right? Okay, so you know I mentioned about the infrared heater and the oil heater. So this is an oil heater. Most people will have them in their homes. You can buy them from Argos, B&Q, wherever it is, yeah? This one here, the infrared heater, I got off Amazon. I got it at a good time, at a good price. I paid £30 for it. And I did a energy consumption comparison. This one here uses triple amount of energy as this one here when it's been used on high. So I'm going to tell you the benefits and the cons of each item quickly. So this oil heater, it takes longer to heat up. Okay, so first and foremost, it uses more energy. The room will take longer to heat up. However, when you switch it off, this will still be hot. That means your room will still be quite warm. With this infrared one here, it's like direct sunlight. Okay, so whenever you switch it on, it's instant heat. The only problem with this is that it doesn't heat your room up, but it uses far less electricity. In some sense, it can heat your room up, but it's the way it kind of works. It doesn't heat the whole room up. Your room will just feel warmer. Okay, so this one, for example, where you saw me sitting before, I can switch it on when I'm sitting there, and it will just give me direct heat. When I'm done, I switch it off. Done. This one here, I've got one in each of my children's rooms, so they'll switch it on whenever they need to and switch it off when they don't need. The only problem with that is again, you need to remember to switch it off, because this, if it stays burning all day long or all night long, it will kill your electricity bill, trust me. So let's show you how to pair up the Wi-Fi plug. It is really simple. So guys, before we go any further, either on your Apple device or Android, you need to download this application called Tuya. Now don't ask me why it's called Tuya. The cameraman is laughing behind. It's a bit of a funny name, Tuya. Put the link down below. And what this does, it can connect to your Wi-Fi plug. So let me show you how to do this. So let's open it up. Ignore that for a second. I've got loads of things already connected. I've got kitchen lights. I've got one light that's called Donkey. Don't ask me why. So here, let's show you how to pair this up, right? So you get the plug. If you follow me over here. Now, the first time you plug it in, right, can you see that? You'll see a little white light come on like that, and it'll start flashing. Okay? Now, remember guys, your phone needs to be on Wi-Fi, not on 4G or 5G, okay? So over here, if you can see over here, I'm not sure if you can see in the camera, it's already connected to the Wi-Fi. On the right-hand side over here, if I press that plus sign, okay, add device, okay? So at the moment, look, straight away it's discovered that. Discovering devices. So over here, I'm going to press add, and it's asking me for my Wi-Fi password. Okay, so let's put that in. Here we go. So if you look over here again, it's being added. It takes about a minute or so. It's really good because it discovers the Wi-Fi plug straight away. Very easy. So give it maybe a minute, more than a minute maybe, not longer, and it will just add that plug. And what you can actually do is when you pair up the plugs, you can name the plugs. So like for example, this is my son's room. I've got his name and the heater. So Ayan's heater, for example. So look over here, it's been added. So if I want to, for this demo, I'll just put down here the name, device name. I'll put heater 2. Okay, and then I can program which room, living room, master bedroom, kitchen, my daughter's room. So let's say this one here is a master bedroom. Okay, so that's done now. So watch this guys, right? So if I go back to the main screen, okay, remember I said heater 2. Down here, I'm hoping you guys can see this on the camera, you got power, timer, and setting. Okay, so if I do that, I can come over here and see this, right? So every time I press the button here, can you see that? See that? it turns off and on, or on and off. Okay, so let's take this plug off. So as soon as I took this plug off, my app actually notified me that this device has gone offline, which is really good. So if your Wi-Fi ever stops or anything like that, you know you're going to get a little notification on here. So let's plug this into the power strip here. Okay, now give it like a minute or so for it to start up again. You don't need to do the pairing up, by the way. That's already done. The Wi-Fi plug still remembers. So over here, what I'm going to do is take this off, plug this back in. Now this plug is the plug to this halogen heater. Okay, so let me plug this in, off. So I'm going to put that on. Okay, the halogen heater on, so it's on high at the moment. Okay, now nothing's coming on. So watch this, right? So cameraman, just stand back because it gets really hot. Let's leave that on low actually, because we're going to end up burning us. So if I press on here, watch the heater come on. Give it a minute or so. I can actually feel the heat from here. You see that on camera? Yeah. Let's blast it up. Let's go super high. Okay, so watch this. If I press this button here, switches it off. Press that back on, switches it on and off. If I leave it on, if I go over here, I can go into timer. Okay, now over here it says add schedule. So what I can do, let's say for example, if I want it to come on, you know when I was saying to you like 3 o'clock in the morning it gets really cold. So if I go back to 3 over here, and I want it to do that every single day of the week, and over here pay attention to this, this will say switch on. Okay, so every day at 3 o'clock in the night or the morning it will come on. Save. Okay, so that's saved. If I want it to go off at 4 o'clock, for example, do the same again, 4 o'clock. Now this is good because I'm actually going to use this plug in my daughter's room. Okay, 4 o'clock every single day, but here I want it to go off. Okay, confirm and save that. Okay, so in a minute it will come up there. So the schedule I've set now is every day I want it to go on at 3 o'clock and off. You can change the time for whenever you want, and also you can do different things. You can do countdown as well, so you can put a timer on. Yeah, so if you want it on for a minute, I don't know if you really want the heater on for a minute, but you can do that. You can do the same with the oil heater as well. Okay, so let's turn that off. Let's go back and turn that off. Okay, because it's getting really hot now. Okay, so I hope that demo was effective for you guys. If you have any questions, please put it in the comment section down below, or if you have another way that you found making your energy usage more organized and effective, please send us a link below and I'll definitely share it with my friends and family. I'll leave the link down below for the Wi-Fi plugs. And I was going to mention these Wi-Fi plugs you can use on so many different things. I'm not sure if you guys can see my light up here. Okay, this one here is on one of those plugs as well. Okay, now you can buy these bulbs on its own to work with the Wi-Fi or with the plug as well. So I don't know why, guys, I name all my things weird names. So this one here is called Donkey. So watch this. Okay, ready? Alexa, turn Donkey off. Okay. Alexa, turn Donkey on. Alexa, turn Donkey red. Okay, she's turned it red. Right, guys, so I'm going to log off now. So I hope that video has been helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe to my channel, and share this video with your friends and family. And as I say, if you have any other ways of being effective with your heating, please let me know. Jazakallah khair. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuhu.